Hi, I'm John Warren with Advocate Auto Body in Lyles, Tennessee. I'm the general manager, and I've been in the collision business for 25 years. Alan from Lombard Equipment had come through our door, and we've been speaking probably for the last year and a half about upgrading some of our outdated equipment. He had brought brochures by us, showed us videos on different equipment, different spot welders, things of that nature. Never pressured us, but we got with Curtis, our shop foreman, and went through a list of things we were looking at, and he actually set up a time to come demo prior to us purchasing the equipment.
Hi, I'm Curtis Kruger. I'm the shop foreman here at Advocate Auto Body. I've been doing collision repair for 22 years. When John and Dave wanted to talk about getting equipment, I was introduced to Alan from Lombard Equipment. When I first met Alan, I realized that he's a friendly guy, he's a good salesman, but he also has experience with this industry, and he has had trained time with being a technician doing collision repair, and he's very experienced and very knowledgeable about what we have and the equipment itself and the process of the repair. So he's very helpful and insightful, I guess you would say, about how the equipment is helpful and beneficial in the day-to-day repair process. We purchased 5 pieces of equipment from Lombard, and it has greatly increased our efficiency to help with time management and speediness of repairs, as well as making a better quality repair to help ensure our customers the best repair we can. Coming from a technician standpoint, I hope that Advocate Auto Body continues to do business with Lombard Equipment due to their service and support.